I asked ChatGPT to help me build hill climb racing, and this is what happened. I started with a simple question. What is the easiest language to build hill climb racing clone? And I am using ChatGPT or for mini high. Of course, it gave me a list which has Godot Engine plus GD script, the decent, Unity plus C Sharp, again, very decent, and we have some scripts like JavaScript plus Phaser, Python plus Pygame, Lua plus Love2D, and the most comfortable I feel is Python plus Pygame. And of course, I just said, okay, give me the full code for Python plus Pygame for the copy of the game Hill Climb Racing. Because I am lazy and here we are wipe coding, so why not? Okay, now this is the most important step. After you ask for the code, it will give you a code. The part of the wipe coding, as I understand, you should never read the code. Just get it all, click copy, and paste VS Code and just try to run it. But of course, which also destined to happen, it failed. Okay, I just copy and paste the code from ChatGPT to VS Code, and let's try to run it. We have the screen, which is weird. We don't have a beginning field. We just in the middle. I click right arrow key, and we go right. Okay, we have the fields, but yeah. Let's ask for it to fix it. After being able to run the game, I want a field to start to get ready for the terrain, and it doesn't last forever, it just fails after a while, so we need to have a more terrain we can run on. And I have the new version, let's try it out. I say run it, and yes, this time we have a beginning area, we can accelerate, and if I press once to the arrow key and leave it, after a while it starts going right and left. I don't know why. If I keep pushing on right, we are accelerating in an infinite speed, I guess, and our score just hit the maximum, which is 300. That's because I guess we don't have enough coins after a while. Okay, that was the last coin, and yeah. We don't have any fuel tanks, as you can see. The hills are pretty annoying, and whenever our fuel tank is empty, we go back to the beginning of the game, which is not really good. And of course, to be able to fix that, I just asked ChatGPT to fix for it. I am not programming anymore. And I said the maximum score is 200, not enough, and we need gas rewards. So we need to be able to pick some gas on the way. And of course, it thinks for a couple seconds and fixes it, but then the problem, the coins and fuels were disappearing after some distance, same as the beginning, so I also just said it, and it kind of fixed it. And now we can try the second version of the game. And as you can see, I don't know why, but we start from distance 50 and we have a field and we don't have anything for some time. Then we start to have coins and fuel tanks. Not bad, not bad. And as you can see, the car is always stuck on the hills, like it's on the hills. It doesn't have a separate gravity or it doesn't fly back. But we have distance, keep going. I don't know why, when I don't click anything, it just starts to go right and left. Like the friction actually takes it back, I don't know. And yeah, we can also go reverse, but we have speed limit. And when I just keep going, we have quite bunch of fuel barrels and so many coins. But I think this is kind of working, but I still don't really like it. So it felt too fast, so I said, okay, let's give it a speed limit so it cannot go super fast, and it is adding a max speed variable, but we are not checking the code yet. We are just saying, okay, we will take it. I mean, it is nice to have finally speed limit, but also I thought the mountains were too pointy, and I told it to make it less pointy, and I was hoping it would work. It just failed. I said continue, and yeah. Let's see how it fixed this time. And I go back to the game, and when I say run it, now we against that 150. I am not going to try fix it myself. It was, I don't know. So I click once on the right. We are going, and I didn't click again. Just once I click, we go right. And if I keep pushing right, we have a speed limit this time. And as you can see, mountains are kind of less pointy, but I wouldn't call it a good view because it's like weird, okay? Like no mountain is made of boxes. So still though, progress, yeah. We still have a bunch of coins and fuel tanks we can collect. And we have a weird terrain that is full of boxes and weird pointy hills. So yeah, let's call it everything works okay for now, and we have hills, we can move, but it doesn't feel like climbing. It just sticks it sticks on the hills. So I asked ChatGPT to make it climb the hills, uh, hoping it would work, and of course it failed, and I asked it to try it again, and after the bug fix, it gave me a version which is I don't know what to feel. I mean, it is not sticking anymore, but it's still magnetically connected to the hills, and all you need to do is just click on the right button, and yeah, the game just plays itself. Um yeah. Okay, at this point I feel even lazy to give it a prompt to fix the game, so I just want a full kind of working game. So I ask for menu, start game, and pause, and other buttons, and it gave me the updated version, which makes us come to our final version of the game, and let's play test it. We have pause, restart, and menu buttons. I guess menu button just, yeah, it makes the game close. But pause and restart seems to work fine. Same as last time, the game is not really a game, and it is not even moving anymore, just going on a straight line. At least you can pause the game right now and resume wherever you left. You can restart the game, go to the beginning, but all you have to do to play the game is click on the right button and it just keeps going. And would you call it a real game? I don't know. I mean, I am not sure if I want to call it a real game. I mean, it has some buttons that we can use at least, and we can start. But yeah, there's no game, there's no fun actually playing this. Okay, whatever, but I am still curious, like, let's see. Like, how was the code? Like, okay, I like the configuration, like, just simple, 800, 600, we have some car physics. I mean, it's nice, it gave me comments, so maybe if I want to fix some stuff, I can do it. I haven't checked the full code because, like, it is, how long it is? Like, 300 lines of code. Actually, not bad, like, for a simple game, yeah. I am kind of into it. It gives some physics, fields, scores, some terrain parameters, and I think it looks understandable because, I mean, yeah, I have some experience with Python Pygame, maybe that's also why, but still, it's not terrible. I mean, I wouldn't call it a full game, but I would call it a maybe starting point or just some reference. Like, What could be done? I don't know. I am confused about um, vibe coding and making games using AI. I mean, making games is not easy. It is actually, to be honest, very difficult. And this just makes it like it took me maybe like 30 minutes. I was eating food, and in the background I was just giving ChatGPT some prompts, and yeah, it was quite simple. And this is not terrible. I don't know. You solve the game, you solve the code. I will share this. I don't even know if I want to, if I have to share it, but yeah, if you want, just tell me. I can share it with you. And if you have any thoughts about this, you can tell me in the comments. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'm still confused what to feel about this, but it is also interesting at some point. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time.